Hello again, I'm Juan Flores. I'm here in the same bathroom. I wanted to show you the final product, the final results. As you can see now, the clear cut joints around, this is all permanent. It should never break again. We also refinished the vanity top, marble vanity top, and apply impregnating sealer. So it should all be good for a long time. Okay, we're back on marble floor. This floor was grind down flat. We used something, not polyester epoxy, but something better than that. Now you just see the joints. You don't feel the joints, and this should always look like this permanently. And you can also see around the perimeter the clear cut joints. The finish also was polished to a glossy finish and apply impregnating sealer. Okay, here we very carefully remove the old silicone or moldy silicone and replace it with a clean one, new. And as you can see, clear cut lines, no build up. We also did the something flexible, we call it polyurethane. We don't use caulking, we use something better than that. And you see the application, how neat it is, clear cut lines. And you can also see the nice new grout and solid.